Hey everyone, I'm Dave. Today we're going to make Blackened Cod Po Boy. It's a great lunchtime meal. Let's get it started. We're going to make a rub for this here with some granulated onion, granulated garlic, a little dried thyme, dried oregano, some paprika, a little cayenne, and some white pepper. Going to just mix this up real quick. All right, we're going to put some melted butter on the fish and then apply our rub to it. We'll put this on both sides. Okay, now we're gonna make the dressing for the po' boy. Real simple. Mayo, cut up baby dill pickles, some crushed garlic, and a little lemon juice. Gonna add a little pinch of pepper, pinch of kosher salt. Mix that all up. That's gonna be great on the sandwich. We'll save that till we're done cooking the fish. Okay, now we have some chopped up iceberg lettuce that's going to go on the sandwich. What we're going to do is make almost what's like a little chopped salad that's going to go on top of that with the sandwich as well. We've got some chopped up yellow pepper, some celery, some diced red onion. We're going to give it a little pinch of sugar in there, a little pinch of kosher salt, and a little white wine vinegar. We're going to mix that all up without breaking any dishes. It's going to add some nice freshness to the sandwich. Now we'll set this aside so that when we're done cooking, we can put this all together and eat. Okay, the grill's heated up to perfect temperature. We're gonna lay down a little oil here. And then we're gonna put our fish down probably about 5 minutes each side. And it'll give it a nice blackened cod with this seasoning. This is gonna be fantastic in the sandwich. I just flipped the one in back. Gonna flip this one in front. This is so fresh and is looking so good. It's gonna taste so good on the sandwich. We're gonna slice these in half. Give them a little toast here as well on the grill. Just place them down like that. And we'll be slicing those fillets in half to go on the sandwiches as well. This fish is done. It smells amazing. So we're gonna take that mayo we made earlier and load it up here on the bottom. Gonna put a healthy portion of lettuce on top of that. And then our little mixture, almost like our chopped salad, we're throwing on there next. Oh, that looks good. Gonna cut these in half to throw on there. That looks outstanding. Gonna load this up with a little extra piece too. So that's how you make a blackened codfish po' boy sandwich. This looks amazing, smells amazing. I can't wait any longer. I'm diving in. The fish is so fresh, it's perfectly cooked. The flavor of the seasoning gives that nice Cajun taste. The freshness of the vegetables adds that texture. So good. Thanks for watching Bussin Eats. Again, I'm Dave. Keep it here for some more great grilling. Have a great day, everyone, and remember, spread love through barbecue.